Hello everyone, I am Ramesh KS. In this session, we will discuss about decimal fraction to binary conversion. Let us start our discussion. So, decimal fraction to binary conversion steps includes the first step, the step 1. I will write the first step. Step 1. Step 1 would be multiply the, let us take the font as 14, multiply the decimal fraction by 2 note the carry and the product. Note the carry and the product. This is step 1. So step 2, repeat step 1 until the fractional product becomes 0. This is step 2. Step 3, the first carry will be the MSB, and the last carry is the LSB. The equivalent binary fraction is then written from MSB to LSB. That means right to left. So this is the steps. Okay. So the first step is multiply the decimal fraction by 2, note the carry and the product, repeat step 1 until the fractional product becomes 0. Step 3, the first carry will be the MSB and the last carry is the LSB. The equivalent binary fraction is then written from the MSB to LSB. So these are the 3 steps. So I am taking one practical example. So let us take this practical example. So consider decimal fraction 0.3125. so this is the decimal fraction. So it is a which number it is a decimal number. I am taking here base 10. So it is a decimal number. Okay. This is a decimal number. Okay. Okay, now I am going to convert this decimal fraction to binary form. Okay, now so for that I am going to draw a chart. So this is a chart. Okay, so in this chart The first one is multiplied by 2. Here let us take this one. So I will divide into 3 parts. This is for multiply by 2. This is carry, and the final one is product. Carry and product. Okay. Here multiply by 2. This is the first one. This is carry. This is product. See here, I will take this one 0.3125. I will take here. Okay, let us take blue. I am taking here. The first one is 0.3125 into 2. So if I multiply, what value we will get? We will get 0 as a carry and product as 0.625. So do one thing, you can use calculator for this process. I am saving this one. Decimal fraction to binary. So you can use the calculator here. Calc. See here, 0.3125 into 2, 0.625 product I have placed here. Okay, now again what you have to do means you have to take this product again here and multiply with the 2 again. Okay, again I am going to do the process again. I am taking 0.625 into 2 into 2. So if I multiply, what value will get? 0.25, not 1.25 will get. 1 we are placing here carry 1, and remaining separated 0.25 we are placing it a product. So normally if I take a calculator, 0.25 into 2, what value will come? 1.25 will come. So in 1.25, if I minus 1, 0.25 will come. So 1 will be separated as a carry and 0.25 as a product. Again take 0.25 here. Again take 0.25 here. 0.25 into 2. Okay. So if I multiply, what value will get? We will get the carry as 0 and the product as 0.50. Again I am multiplying with 0.50 into 2. So what value will get? 1.0. 1 is the carry, that is LSB. So finally 0.00 is the product. 0 product. So finally we are taking this 0.00 here, we are multiplying with 2, finally we will get 0. So this is a final. So in this, observe in this, so the steps steps what we are performed in this, let us observe. Multiply the decimal fraction by 2. So this is a decimal fraction. I am multiplying with the 2. Here 2. So note the carry and the product. I am carry 0.625. This left hand side is 0 is the carry, and the right hand side 0 plus 0.625. 0.625 is the product. Again I am taking 0.625. We are multiplying with the 2. What is the step 2? Repeat the step 1. This multiply the decimal fraction by 2. Again I am multiplying with the 2. Repeat step 1 until the fractional product becomes 0. Fractional products becomes 0. So again we are multiplying with this one. Again we are multiplying with this one, this product. Finally, so after multiplication, the final product, this final product becomes 0. It becomes 0. Okay. So once if it is becomes 0, we are moving into the step 3. The first carry will be the MSB. So first carry will be the MSB. So this will be the MSB. This will be the MSB. Okay. This will be MSB. And the last carry will be the LSB. This is the last carry will be the MSB. The equivalent binary fraction is then written from the MSB to LSB. From MSB to LSB we are writing. From where to where we are writing? From LSB to MSB to LSB we are writing. Okay na? So arrow mark in this way. So this is what decimal fraction to binary conversion. Okay. So now what is the final result? What is the final result? So I am writing the final result here. Final result 0.3125 0.3125 I am taking here base 10, that means is a decimal fraction. So base 10 is equal to so what is the answer? So from MSB to LSB, right? So I am taking 0. Here you can observe here 0 1 0 1, the answer 0 1 0 1. First we have to place this 0 point. Further I am taking this carry 0 1 0 1. This is the final answer. So which element it is? It is a binary number. That's why I am writing base as 10, base as 2. Okay now. So I am taking in a box. Take a red. So this is the final output. Okay na? So this is decimal fraction to binary conversion. Okay, everybody understood, right? Again I am taking binary element, binary number to decimal conversion. Okay now, what are the steps we are including? So again I am writing here, this is a different one, this is a different one. Here binary, that is, will be in the fractioning way. Binary fraction to decimal conversion. So this we will discuss now. The same earlier we discussed binary to decimal conversion, the same steps, so only the minor changes. I am taking here the step 1, multiply each bit of the binary number, by its positional weight, this is step 1. So I am taking step 2 now. What is step 2? Add all products, the same. which we were discussed, binary to decimal conversion. There is the same steps. Add all the products. This is the second step. So now, in order to prove this one, we have to take one example, so that we will understand very easily. Correct? So I am taking one example, 11011.101. Okay, so this is what decimal binary fraction. So base 2, I am taking base 2. So for this, first word, multiply each bit of the binary number by its positional weight, right? So for that, do one thing, I am drawing one chart. For this, I am taking one chart here. This is one chart. Okay, so in this chart I am dividing 3 parts: weights, bits and values. So this is for weights, this is for weights, this is for weights, this is for bits, this is for bits and values, finally the values. So I am writing here, I am taking black color. So weights, bits and values. Here weights, bits, here down values. Okay, so first weights we have to take, weights. So weights means, before that bits we have to take, right? Bits means 1 1 0 1 1, so that we have to take here. So I am taking here 1 1 0 1 1, and also include point as well. Point give some gap. I am taking 1 here, again 0 0 1. Okay, so take this part. Again I am taking here another line for separation. Take one more line, take one more line, take here another line. Here I am taking line. Here one more line. Okay, here 101 we have, I am taking 2 lines here because here dot is there, no, that's why. Okay, so remaining the rest of the things you can ignore, these are all not required. Okay, now here weights. So what are the weights we have to write here? So first we have to take from here, this one 1. This is 2 power 0. This is 2 power 0. I'm taking here 2, 2, I'm taking everything 2, further I will divide 2, here 2, okay na. So first one, this is 2 power 0, I am taking here 2 power 0, this is 2 power 0, here 2 power 1, here 2 square, 2 square, 2 power 0, 2 power 0 here, 2 power 1, 2 square, here 2 cubed, 2 power 4. Just to drag this one, 2 square. Okay, so these are all weights. So now 2 power 4, what is the value? 2 power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the value? 16. 16. So now again 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 2 square means 2 into 2. 4. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 0 is always 1. Remember. Okay. Now again this fractional values, what are the weights? 2 power minus 1. It starts from 2 power minus 1. Remember, 2 power minus 1. 2 I am writing here. 2. I am taking powers further. So now I am taking here powers. 2 power minus 1. This is minus 1. Okay. Minus 1, this is 2 power minus 1, this is 2 power minus 2, this is 2 power minus 3. Okay, 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. So 2 power minus 1 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So the values are 0.5, 0.25, finally 0.125. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is a chart for this binary fraction to decimal conversion. Now what happens? So now I am going to multiply with this 16 into 1 plus 8 into 1 plus 4 into 0, 2 into 1, 1. So 16 plus 8, 24. 0 into anything 0, it will not consider. Okay, it won't consider. Now 24 plus 2, 2 into 1, 2. 26 plus 1, 27. So the 27, this part is 27, decimal part is 27. Okay, so 27. So for 1 1 0 1 1 is 27. Okay, so you can take this is binary number base as 2, this is decimal number base as 10. Okay, so this is finished. Now I am taking 101, 0.101 I am considering. So if I add 0.5, take here 0.50, you can take 50, 0.50, 0.25, the second one, third one 0.125. 125 means here also it will come 0. Okay, so if we add this one, so what is the final result? We will get 0.625 will get. We can add it 5 here, 5 plus 2, 0.5 plus 2, 7 will come. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. Again 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 875 will come. Okay. Oh, do one thing. Sorry. 0.5 into 1, this will be ignored. 0.25 into 0 becomes always 0, right? This will be ignored. We should not take this one for addition. Okay, we have to take these two only. So finally we will get the answer 0.625. See, 5 to 5 plus 1 to 0.625. So 0.625 for 0.101 answer. 0.101 answer. Base 2 answer is 0.6625 base 10. So this is for fractional part, this is decimal part. So if I combine both of this, so what is the final answer? We'll get? So final answer is 11011.101 base 2 is equal to 27.0625. 0 is not required. 625 can take. 625 base 10. This is binary fraction to decimal fraction. Okay, so this is a final answer. So I will take it in box. This is a final result for this explanation. Okay, everyone understood, right? Let us practice these examples so that you can get clarity. You can try other examples as well if you have time. Okay, do one thing. I will give you few examples to you. Let us wait. Okay, I am giving you one example to you. This is a practice questions, so practice at home. So I am giving you 97 convert. Question is convert 97.188 base 10 to binary. Try this at home. Okay, and I am giving you another question to you. Convert 11011.101. Okay, base 2 to decimal. So please practice these questions by following these steps so that you will get the clarity. Okay, thank you everyone. See you again. Bye.